Hello sweet friend and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful you stopped by my home today for some Sunday cleaning motivation. Today it's a little extra special because it's going to be a little bit of a teacher's edition. First and foremost, I want to apologize because last week I did not have the time to edit the video and bring the motivation to you. And for that, I am so sorry. And I do appreciate you if you stop by today, if your notifications are on and you're watching this video. I can't believe it's October 1st already and it is time to start thinking how to winterize our home and any little thing that we could do to make sure that we take care of our home. And therefore, first I am cutting the grass, making sure it's nice and neat outside. And next, I am going to be adding a roof to my little library. I have a little library right in front of my lawn. And my neighbor gave me this extra, I don't think they call shingles. I'm not sure what that's called, what you put on top of the roof. If you know, leave me a comment down below. But he gave me some extra pieces and I am going to make sure that our little library sustains yet another winter. I love to decorate the little library for particularly Christmas. And if you don't know what a little library is, you could register under littleLibrary.org and you provide free books to your neighborhood and whoever is passing by. And the idea is that you borrow one, you leave one, but if you don't have a book that you could leave, you could actually just borrow a book and take it with you. We're trying to bring literacy to our communities and I just love anything that I can pour out. I just enjoy it very much. So anyhow, Matthew wanted to help me with that project and you're gonna see a little bit of my son helping putting the roof on. After we finish with that, we are gonna come inside and brace for impact. My bedroom is a disaster. So let me tell you a little bit about my home these days, and I'm actually editing this video today, Sunday, when you are going to see it. My home is getting a little bit out of control, and it's because I started in one school, then I changed into another school, and 3 days later I was placed on another school. And the reason for that is because this year I applied to be a bilingual elementary teacher. Last year I was the long-term substitute teacher of science in middle school and I loved it because I have the most wonderful mentors and teachers and the community there I loved. But the certifications that I have, they only go up to 6th grade, although I am trying to continue past my exam so I can be in middle school. I'm loving it. I'm loving this 3rd grade that I'm teaching, but it is taking not a toll on me, but there are other priorities that right now have to take place because I have only been there a week and 3 days, and I am behind because we started school early in September. And what I mean I'm behind, I mean I need to catch up my students up to speed because while I wasn't there, while they wasn't a teacher there, there was a substitute. So the children are a little behind in where they're supposed to be based on the state standards and expectations. Anyhow, I'm also starting school, the University of Jersey City, to finish my alternate route teaching certification. And teachers, we always learners, we always students, and we always teaching. This it's a little different for me because I have to teach everything in Spanish. So what that means to me is that I have to come home and I have to prep so I can make sure that my students have the best of what I can provide. Here's the little library that I'm telling you that we have over here, and I hope that one day you either pass by a little library and contribute with some books, or you have one of your own. What I did today is I make sure that my room was a little tidy. I still have some grading to do, but I managed to, as I'm editing this video, wash my clothes, and I'm hoping I can upload that video for you on Thursday. And if not, again, forgive me. I'll promise you in the next 3 weeks, I will get back into routines. Right now, I'm just really learning how to manage my time and trying to be up to speed with the rest of the teachers. But anyhow, my clothing, it's clean. My bedroom, it's clean. And I finished doing everything that I had to do for school. And after I finish editing this video and getting it out to you, I am just gonna sit down and watch some Sunday night football. At the end of this video, I am sharing with you a hat that I created. And first I thought I was gonna be adding letters and numbers. This is Spirit Week, and the whole theme about Spirit Week is to show respect. And every day of the week, it's going to have a theme. For example, tomorrow, children can come with funny hats or creative hats or color their hair in different ways. And the reasoning for that is that for you to show respect, we always have to have be mindful. And mindful right head, and that's what the principle, that's how this is run. And then the next day, I believe we're wearing a jersey because it's what's in our heart, and then something with our shoes because, you know, the way our walk of life, etc., etc., and you get the point. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money, because I've been spending a lot of money in the past 7 days since I started this 3rd grade position. And I went into my garage, and the only thing that I really bought was the pumpkin from Dollar Tree and the hat from Walmart. And I believe that's it. And when I show you the hat at the end, because every time I pass by that hat, I keep going back and adding something else. But I'm finally done with it, and I am so excited because I think it makes sense. Although I showed it to my daughter and I asked her, what do you think the green is? And she's like, it's the grass. I'm like, yes, it is the grass. But what else do you think it is? She didn't get it. It's supposed to be curly hair that I have, but it is also the grass. But I'm sharing the hat with you because this year it's going to be very challenging for me, but I am so looking forward for it because I've been waiting for this for about 2.5 years, and I finally got this opportunity, and I have to make sure that my whole team of supervisors are pleased with me, but most importantly, that I reach every single student and that I help them be their best. Here, real quick, what's going on is I do not have the money right now because for the past 4 years, I've been living off a substitute teacher's salary. But if you've been with me for a long time, you know that I always try to motivate you, trying to do your best with what you have. And right now, my best is I spent $10 on this concrete tube that I got from Home Depot, and all these steps are cracked, and I am fixing them. Eventually, I'm gonna paint them so they look nice, but for now, what this is gonna do, prevent them from cracking farther. Also, I am very excited to let you know that my best friend and we are going to be launching another channel and an Instagram page and a podcast to bring educators from all our friends and from everywhere to come and join us and just have a wonderful chat and blogging about a day in the life of a teacher. Now, my best friend, she's been teaching bilingual, I believe, for 7 years. Don't hold me to that because right now I'm tired and I really don't remember. But we're getting together the podcast. We already had 2 guest speakers lined up, plus our initial presentation of the podcast, and I am very excited, and I hope you can join us. The channel is not up, but please stay tuned, because as soon as the channel is open, but it's not available yet for anyone to subscribe. But as soon as that becomes available, we are going to invite you, and I really hope that you can join us. And even you as a parent, if you have anything to say, any questions you want to ask, please make sure that you join us, because we don't want to just talk amongst educators. We also want to hear from the parents, and we want to help our community, not just the bilingual community, but all the communities that are around us. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, as always, thank you so much for being here. You mean the world to me. Remember, you are the most valuable person right where you are. You have been fearfully and wonderfully made, and within you resides the power to do great things. You mean the world to this channel. You belong here, and I hope that you find the motivation that you need. I appreciate you, and I'm sending you a virtual hug if that what makes you comfortable. If not, a high five. Thank you so much, my friend, for being here, and I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, don't forget, you are an MVP. Bye, friend.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh.
I think I'm done. So this is my silly hat. This is supposed to be my hair. Let's try it. Oh, should I put in there? That's my hair. Maybe here too, right? Don't know if I want to do it there. Maybe like this.